From this equation we are going to find x. For this, 3 to the power of x equal to 39. We are applying log on both sides. Log 3 to the power of x equal to log 39. Therefore, we know that log m to the power of n equal to n log m. We are applying here x log 3 equal to log 39. Divide log 3 on both sides. X log 3 by log 3 equal to log 39 by log 3. This log 3 and log 3 will get cancelled. So x equal to log 39 by log 3. We can split this 39 as log 3 into 13 by log 3. Therefore, we know that log m dot n equal to log m plus log n. So we are going to apply this formula here. So log 3 plus log 13 by log 3. Now log 3 and log 3 plus log 13 by log 3. This log 3 and the log 3 will get cancelled. So 1 plus log 13 by log 3. We have x equal to 1 plus log 13 by log 3. Therefore, we know that log m by log n equal to log m base n. We are going to apply this formula here. So 1 plus log 13 3 x equal to this. We are going to verify now. Three to the power of x equal to 39 is the equation. We are going to apply this in x. 1 plus log 13 3 equal to 39. Therefore, a power m plus n equal to am into a n. We are going to apply this here. So 3 to the power of 1 into 3 to the power of log 13 3 equal to 39. Therefore, we know that to the power of log base a b equal to b. So we are going to apply this here. 3 into this is 13 because b value is 13 equal to 39. So 39 equal to 39. LH S equal to R H S, thus proved.